Hello, my fellow Nigerian people. You are welcome to today's presentation. My name is Ojo Paul. I'm here to take you through the ideology of what we call MMM Nigeria. You are welcome to this presentation. The presentation comprises of this content: the ideology of MMM, how MMM Nigeria works, the rules of the MMM. What are the ideology of MMM? MMM is an acronym from Mavro Mudia Movement. It is 100% a community of mutual financial help funded by Saoji Mavo. MMM is not a bank, is not company, high yield investment program, financial investment, multi-level marketing scheme, or an online business. MMM does not collect your money to do anything. It is a global mutual financial and aid system. It helps every member of the community financially. Pay attention that all that happen is MMM is willful donation. People giving their spare money out of their own good wills to another participant. What are the mission and the goals of this MMM? To educate people about the modern unfair financial system, to promote good relationship to one another by willing helping each other to become financial free, to build honesty and trust among participants of the community, to fight against the unfair and unjust modern financial system. Hence, the slogan, "Together we change the world." How MMM works? MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle or gratitudinous, reciprocal and benevolency. In MMM, there are no lender and no debtor, no boss or owner. One participant asks for help, another wants help. Pay attention that there is no central account where all the money goes to. Very, very important. It takes plus or minus 30 days to be matched once you declare willingness to provide help. That is, if you are willing to provide, the day you start counts, the day start counting. You are clear with Mavo equivalent to the help of pledge to be provided. Mavo is the internal currency or score of the system. Your Mavo begins to grow immediately at 1% daily. You can see how the movement of the money, how we change the money. The participant A give to B, B give to C, and C give to D. That's the flow of the movement. That is peer-to-peer exchange of donation. That's how the system works. That is, you give the rules of the MMM. Rule 1. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always PH as many times as you want. That is, you can provide as many times you want with one MMM account. That is, if one person have more than one account, your account will be what? Will be blocked. All other accounts will be blocked. That's the penalty for having more than one account. If you are using another person's phone to log, all these are the things that can be logged for the other account. Within the few period that your account is monitored, only one person have access to your account. That's your what? Your guardian. The rule 2 of the system: do not share your email or bank details with other members. Penalty for sharing it: you will all be blocked from getting help until you give proof of your identity. Rule 3: do not delay in paying for your order. Penalty: you will be blocked. Rule 4: do not edit your banking details or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Penalty: your getting help will be delayed for 14 days. Rule 5: Do not click on the I refuse to make payment button for more than once in a month. The penalty, you will be blocked if you have done that. Rule 6. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. Penalty, you will be blocked. Rule 7. Do not fail to confirm the person that has paid you with another member, because if you fail, you will be blocked. Back to that rule 7. Do not fail to confirm your payment. That is, penalty, if you fail to confirm, you will be blocked. The rule 8 goes, do not allow your family member to provide help more than you. If they have more than the amount you have provided, let them do it through your personal office, or till then to register through your guidance link. Penalty, you won't get the referral bonus. Rule 9. Always remember to write the letter of happiness after every get up. Maximum days to write this, you have to do it within 3 days. If you fail to do that, the penalty is you will be blocked. Master all these rules very well before you are into the business. What are the benefits of MMM? Registration bonus is number 1. When you register in MMM, you get from 20% to 100% US dollar as a gift, as a new welcome. But not everyone get the bonus. Only those who have contributed their own money. Otherwise, the system will be pulled apart for bonuses. They will keep registering endlessly. On registration, MMM gives you 20 US dollar bonus if you have contributed from 50 US dollar to 490 US dollar. That is, within the first period, that is the first 2 weeks, the account will be frozen, the bonus will be frozen, and if you take out your money, let me go back to the benefit as I come back again to the benefit of this noble platform called MMM. Because anything you miss the benefit, is an inevitable for you not to like it. One of the benefits of this noble called MMM is the registration bonus. When you register under MMM, you are entitled to 20 US dollar to 100 US dollar as a gift, as I've said earlier. As the person that register under MMM, not everybody that get the bonuses of this so-called platform MMM. If you register with 20 US dollar, from 50 US dollar, to 490 US dollar, you are given 20 US dollar as a bonus to that account. But if you fail, or you withdraw the money before 2 weeks, this first 2 weeks is frozen period. Your money will be frozen. You won't be able to get the bonus at this time. But if you can get this, if you can endure for the frozen period to be over before you get out your money, you receive the bonus of that 20%. But after the frozen period, your money is still intact. That is the 20%, 20 US dollar. I said the platform give as bonus on 50 US dollar to 499 US dollar. But if you can contribute 500 US dollar to 2,999 US dollar, you are entitled to 50 US dollar as bonuses of your contribution to the bonus, to the system. And if you contribute more than 3,000 US dollar, you are having a bonuses of 100 US dollar as the first gift for you registering with this platform as a member of the platform. you are receiving, 100 US dollar as your bonus for giving us providing help of 3,000 US dollar as the first time on this platform. Can you see the benefits we are talking about on this platform? This is not where there's nowhere else you can get this kind of bonuses except on this platform called MMM Nigeria. Others have flat rates, but we have our various prices. Another benefit of this noble platform MMM is what we call current growth of or 30% increment on what you have donated. Any money you contribute as donation to the community is rewarded with a 30% increase within 30 days. For example, let's assume you contributed 100,000 naira to the growth of this community. Every day, your 100,000 naira is increasing by 1%, which is 1,000 naira per day. At the end of the 30 days, your 100,000 naira has increased to become 130,000 naira. That is, the Mavro must have increased by 30%, which you are free to get out, withdraw after 30 days, and it will be paid into your account. Another one is the referral bonus. For you inviting person that, oh, this is what I've been enjoying. Friends, come and join me. Come and enjoy it. You are entitled to a 10% bonus of that person contributing. For example, if the person contributed 10,000 naira, you are entitled to what? 1,000 naira out of it. And we have what we call guided bonus and the rest. As you have seen it on the dashboard, we have the 5%, 10%, 1%, and the rest. The bonuses have not ended on what I've called guideline. Another bonuses is here fresh again. That is we call bonus for testimonial video. In addition to your happiness letter, maybe after typing your happiness letter, you now try to create a YouTube video to back it up, where you are laughing, where you are smiling as you are getting the money. I believe you'll be happy as you are receiving the bonuses. Do you know what? You have to receive additional 5% bonuses for this what we call testimonial video. Another thing is that all these bonuses, as you are margin up, that's your 10% from here. That is the total 5% of what we have GH. This is what we will receive for presenting video. The program of what are we saying since now is what we call MMM old charity programs. What are the programs we have? We have the charity programs. We have helping and the needy distribution and all sort of materials, food and clothing for free. Those are the part of the programs the MMM people, the participants, are doing. They are not just collecting money and be spending alone. Join us today and let us enjoy and come together to change this world. Let us together change the world. Long life MMM Global, long life MMM Nigeria, long life MMM worldwide. Together we can change the world. Thank you for your listening. You are welcome.